So last time we have discussed these tools.
Uh, yeah, we finished that, sir.
Yeah.
Last class we did free transform tool,
And
Muppet tool, puppet tool, and then a perspective grid tool.
yeah. And live paint bucket, paint selection, this one.
Yeah.
Okay. And grid also we have done. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What about mesh?
No.
Okay. So we'll start from here now.
Okay, sir.
Maximum small options are there. We'll complete this all options. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now let's take an ellipse tool. Okay. Go to the swatches, open swatches, and apply the color on this one. Okay.
Yeah.
So under this one we are having a mesh tool on this one, mesh tool. Once you click the mesh tool, you can come and you can click over here like this. Okay, like
Okay.
this you can click. But again, whenever you are clicking on the same point, it will add only vertical line like this. If you add little bit near up and down, it will add horizontal vertical line like this.
Okay.
Okay, so we have to be careful whenever we are putting the lines. We have to put exactly how much gap we want. We have to put exactly on the line only.
Yeah.
Okay, like this. Similarly over here also we have to do the same thing on this side also.
Okay, sir.
See, I've given some other one more line over here. Okay, similarly vertical lines also we need to draw like this.
Okay.
Okay, like this we need to draw. Instead of this all,
Yeah.
what we can do, easy option. One second. Let's go to
Yeah.
the object menu. Select this object. Go to the object menu. Here we have option called create gradient mesh on this one.
Yeah.
Once you click, it will ask you how many number of rows, columns you wanted. Because exactly it will take the numbers how many we wanted
Yeah.
now. Okay. Now
Okay.
under this one we have 10 rows and 10 columns. If you want, you can increase it. Percentage value of a highlighted one, we can give it 100%. Otherwise you can go
Yeah.
with the center option, so that you will get center like this. Otherwise edge, it will come edge with like this. Otherwise flat, in the
Okay.
sense normal we can say.
Yeah.
Okay, once it is done, still you can select the same tool. Okay, that is
The mesh tool.
mesh tool, and you can click the points to select these points here now. Okay, otherwise you can take direct selection tool, select
Yeah.
these points one by one points and manipulate it. Manipulate in the sense you need to apply some color on this one. So I'm applying this
Yeah.
one to here using shift button.
Okay.
Okay, I can apply directly white color on this one to apply this one. See,
Okay.
portion. So what I'm doing, I'm selecting this portion here now. In this one I'm selecting these two portions from here now. 1 2 3 4 5.
Yeah.
Okay, apply the same white color over here and see, we got nice nose on this one now.
Okay.
Similarly I'm providing the mouth over here now. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. Apply this white color
Okay.
for this one. Now we got a north option here. So we can click
Okay.
outside and you can see here now.
Okay.
Okay, so this is one option.
Yes.
Second option is what we can apply some light reflection on this one now. For reflection, what we do, either we apply the color, okay, or
Yeah.
else we apply light shade on this one. So use opacity to decrease the shade. So I'm making around 70% for this one now. See, light shade
Okay.
we got it now. And
Yeah. Yeah.
similarly all other three direction we need to apply the same value for this one. So 70% for this one. See,
Okay.
we got nice
Yes.
reflection on this side now. Zoom out and see the
Yeah.
reflection here.
Yes.
Okay, now instead of this one, directly I can select this point. Okay, now 1 point and then 2, then 3 and then 4 and then 5 here now, and use the opacity to
Yeah.
50% over here now. Now you
Okay.
can see, you got so this.
Yeah.
Okay, instead of this one, generally we select the middle point only. Select this one and decrease the opacity to have a nice shape on this one. Now it decrease more, so to have a more better shape now. See, nice
Yeah.
reflection we got it on this one.
Yes,
See the
sir.
reflection here. Okay, now when you zoom it,
Yes,
now
sir.
we can see clearly what kind of reflection it is now. Okay, now for this one, generally we create an apple shape or something like this. So I'm selecting this
Yeah.
point. Okay, what I'm doing, I'm using this control button, sorry, alt button to drag up and down. Select,
Okay.
alt button to drag individually both side now. See,
Yeah.
alt to drag both side. Same way, bottom portion also we have to do the same thing.
Okay.
So I'm getting a little bit apple shape on this one now. Okay, like this now. So let me take this opposite now. Go to the properties and define this vertical option over here now. Sorry, one second.
Okay.
Select this object and vertical option for this one. So you can see now apple.
Yeah.
Okay, now if we want to give any reflection for this one, so what we need to do, go to the object mode, create gradient mesh and accept it. What happened? One second. Oh, sorry, one second, delete. Yeah, let's select this object menu, gradient mesh. Now we have applied this one and click here.
Yeah.
Take direct selection tool. Now click on this point where you want to apply the shining. Select this one and decrease the opacity over here to have a little shine on this one.
Yeah.
Similarly, in this side also we need to have a shining on this one. Again, apply the similar light on this one. Select this area. I want more shining on this one, so I am decreasing more on this area now. See?
Okay.
So like this shine we can apply using this property. Okay, opacity, when we decrease opacity, it will apply the shine on
Yeah.
this particular object. Okay, whenever
Okay.
you see any
Okay.
apple or any shape, you will see some shining on that particular object.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that we can apply like this.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
Next
sir.
option in this one. Okay, that is gradient tool. Now for gradient tool, I'll take this same object one more. Okay. Now make selection of another object. Let's apply some color for this one. And let me create one more object. Let's apply another color on this one. So I have two objects. Okay, one more object over here. Now first of all, what I am doing, I am applying the gradient option in this one now. Go to the gradients. Now right now we can see
Yeah.
if you drag, nothing is happening here now.
Yeah.
Unless and until you apply the gradient, it will not work. The tool will not work. Now tool will work now. See.
Oh, okay.
Now we can apply the gradient color on this one. How much you want to give a proper flow for this one now.
Yeah.
Okay, and whatever selected object is there, it can apply to that one now. See, it is not working right now. What to do?
Select a
Either
gradient.
we can click this option, otherwise we can click this option also to apply the gradient color now. See,
Okay.
any angle you can draw. You can draw left, right,
Okay.
up and down, wherever you want, you can draw it.
Okay.
Okay, so now as
Yeah.
under this one we have two styles here. One is linear and one is radial now. You can see the radial option here.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, and how much you want to drag, then you can drag. If you draw a small line, you will get a small line. If you draw a big line, you will get a big line on this one.
Okay.
Okay, now another, the third option is what, nothing but free form gradient, in the sense you can click the points over here. You can click the point and you can set the color for this one. Go to the swatches and open and apply the color, what color you want it over here now. See, add point and apply second color on this one, pink. Select this one, apply yellow color on this one. Click and apply again orange color for this one. Now see, nicely we got colors on this one. Let's apply blue color.
Yeah.
So now we can see the colors has been flowing inside this.
Yes, sir.
This is what custom color. This is what normal radial color, gradient color on this one now. Okay. Clear this one?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Gradient tool is used for this purpose, so you can see. Okay. Now coming back to the eyedropper tool. Eyedropper tool can pick and apply to the other object. You can see. Example, whatever option we are applying on this one. Like example, I have applied the drop shadow. There is the appearance option. Otherwise, we'll apply the graph style.
Okay.
There is the graphic style over here now. Let's apply this option now. Now another object I am taking on this one. Okay, now one object I am having some style on this one. So Windows, appearance. Let me apply some stroke for this one. Multiple strokes I am applying. And go and click this option and apply yellow color on this one.
Yeah.
And this one, this current stroke has to be again with the blue color, and increase the size of this one to 20 now. Second object, I want this size to be around 15 or 14 for this one now.
Okay.
Now if I want another stroke, I can apply another stroke also. Stroke should be around 7%. I'll change the color to other color now. Example, you can say, let's say green color for this one. Now see, we got three options over here now. Let me select this object. Use your eyedropper tool. Under this one we have eyedropper and measurement tool now. Eyedropper will pick the color and it will apply to the current object. Now see what happened, it is picking the color and it is applying to the object here.
Yeah.
Similarly over here, if you click, now what happened, it has taken the similar color. Now if I am taking yellow color, it is filling yellow. If I am filling this one, it is taking green color. If I am clicking on the blue color, it is taking the blue color on this one.
Blue color.
Like this, it will take this. Okay. Wherever
Yes,
you
sir.
click it now. Okay, now
Yeah.
originally when we click this option, it will give you vertical, that is outline as a green color and fill color as this one. Means anytime
Okay.
if you want to pick anything, you can directly pick from this object now. Okay.
Okay.
So what happened now? It is
Yeah.
picking the exact color where we are clicking on that object. We can see. Okay, it is applying onto the
Yeah.
object here. Okay.
Yeah.
Next option in this one. Let me delete this one. Let me select the elliptical tool first. Let me select a star shape. Let's select the polygon shape. Now under this one, we can select this all and we can apply blend option to this one now. Now take the blend option, directly drag from this side to this side now. Nothing has happened. Again draw this opposite direction. Similarly opposite direction over here now. Otherwise draw opposite direction. Now see, depends on the
Okay.
spacing between this one. It is applying some line on this one. See,
Yeah.
now it is
Yeah.
increasing number of values we can see. Okay, select this point and try to drag it, and select this point and try to drag this outside here now. So we got nice and beautiful
Yeah.
this one. We can apply, select and move this one and apply. So right now we are having
Okay.
so that is blend option. Under blend option we have applied certain shapes to be converted from the
Shapes.
circle to
Yeah.
star and star to polygon.
Polygon. Yeah.
Similarly, if you select the color now, if you apply any color, what happen? It will take the similar ratio color on this one now. Select and apply the color.
Yeah.
See, sorry, outline it is applying. Let's say have a fill color on this one. Take the fill color and apply a fill color for this one. See what happened? We got a fill color on this one.
Okay.
Okay, whenever you are selecting this individual object, otherwise using a direct selection tool, let's try on this one also apply. What happened? It is replacing everything on this one.
Yeah.
Let me select and apply some color. So what happened? So now once you are changing one, automatically the all other options are getting
Yeah.
changed. Okay.
Changed.
So this is how blend option can be useful for you. But initially you can apply the colors and all. Let me delete this.
Yeah.
Let's take a polygon shape. Let's take a circle shape. Okay. Let me draw this one. Let's have a different color for this one.
Okay.
Okay. Now select one second. Select this option. Select this option. Select this option. Now go and apply the blend option in this one.
Then.
Simply drag and drop to the other object, otherwise drag in opposite direction. That's it. Now see, we got an object with the 3D look and feel.
Yeah.
Okay, now if you want to decrease the points over here, now right now we are having some points here, now that we want to decrease it. Okay, go to the properties here now, example. Yeah. So what I'm doing, I'm decreasing the spaces in between now. Now go to the blend option, double click on the blend option, you get this option, smooth colors. In place of smooth colors, we have a specified steps on this one. Now how many steps you want?
Okay.
Right now we want 8 steps now. Okay, once it is selected, just apply. So let me double click on this one and go and specify steps. In place of specify steps, distance we can provide it now. So 4 points is different. Now once you click OK, now we can see same 4-point difference is there. Double click on this one, increase this value to 10 now. This one, 10 and say OK now. Still we don't have any changes. Again click on this one. One second. Double click on this one and select this option and apply this option here. That is specify steps. Now let me give this starting step 0.5. Okay, once you click OK, now we can see the distance on. One second, maybe it is not selected. Object is not selected. Let's see. Okay, now let me take this one now. Select this object. Okay, double click on this blend
Yeah.
option. Try to provide the specific distance. 0.1, 0.5 is the distance I wanted, and apply this one.
Yeah.
See what happened? It has taken some space, but how much space we don't know.
Yeah.
So simple option, again double click. Let's say double click and change the number to some other number. Example, I'll take this as 5 pixels on this one, or 10 pixels we can say. Yeah. Now once you click OK, what happened? It is not applying this one. One second. Let me take this one as five points here now. 5 points and apply this.
Yeah.
Let me see. Double click. Let me take this specific steps now. Under this one, 1000 is the steps now. Let me make it around 50 for this one now, and apply. See, can you see
Okay.
the steps?
Yes,
Now, if
sir.
you want, you can change the color also. Select this one and apply the color over here, red, and this one has to be a
Okay.
little different color now. Click again.
Yeah.
So now specific distance we can apply, and similarly we can apply the different color for this one now. Select this and apply the color over here. See,
Okay.
we can do the movement and everything for this one now. Okay, and
Yes,
width
sir.
also we can decide it for this one. So this is what blend option we are having. Let's delete this and have this next option. Now
Okay.
under next option we are having graph chart. Graph chart can anyone will be applied. I'll take this graph chart and draw the graph chart. Once you release the mouse
Yeah.
button, see what happened. We get a table on this one now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, under this table we need to provide a name or number over here now. So I'm typing the name called soap. Okay, let's say
Okay.
example Dove, Nirma. Okay, Excel. Now enter,
Yeah.
go down and try to provide the value. Now it is 100. Okay, Dove is 50.
Yeah.
Okay, Nirma is 20. Okay, and last option that is 150 for this one now. See, when we click on the other
Okay.
box, the value is taken, but again when we select this one, when we apply, it will apply this value to the graph chart now. See what happened? Right now maximum is 150 here now. Apply this and
Yeah.
see. We got a graph chart according to the M150 here. Now which color represent, it is
Okay.
showing the color also.
Yeah.
Now example, I got my change of color now in this one, means change of value. So, so normal soap was 50 now. Now
Yeah.
Dove was 150. Okay, and Nirma was 200, and this one was
Yeah.
250 on this one. See now, we have entered, we have pressed enter button. Now we can see the chart now.
Yes, sir.
So like this we can have n number of charts here now, and you can see the colors also, how it is representing the colors now.
Okay.
Okay, so like this we can change it now, anytime. So now
Okay.
example, I want to change the other design now. I want to go for other design. In place of this one, directly select this graph chart, right click on this one. One second.
Transform.
Select, right click and say type option. Why it is not showing?
Oh.
So maybe because of this reason. Right click, yeah. Type option is there, type option. Under this one we are having different kind of designs here. You can use this all designs. Right click, again type,
Oh.
change to other design and click OK now. See.
Yeah.
So like this you can use this option in this category. That is graph chart we can say. Type option we can
Yes.
say this one. And second one, once you right click again, we are having a data where we can enter the new data for this one.
Yeah.
Okay, so example 100, 150, okay, 150 and 20 on this one. Done with this. Now see.
Okay.
Again we'll change the style. So we'll select this one, right click, type option. is not selecting. It's not showing. Why make 1 minute? Yeah,
Yes,
type
sir.
option. 1 second. It is not there. 1 minute. What happened? It's not showing anything. So Control A and try to align on this one. Right click, type option, but it's not there here now. Okay.
Yeah.
So under type option, what we are doing here now, under this one, we have seen this option, that is, what do we say?
Graph.
No, not graph. Earlier one, the basketball
Okay.
we have seen.
Yeah.
Okay, that if you are applying that option, we can easily apply. This one little complicated sometime, and sometime very easy for us. We can go at this option now. Example,
Okay,
select
sir.
this one, right click, and we are having this watch. This option we have recorded that. Now, example, if I want to change now, I cannot change it now. See,
Yeah.
we are not having anything. 1 second, let me select. No, it is not showing. So maybe this one will close. Let's see. Yeah. Now when we close the box, we will
Yeah.
having this one type option. Now let's change this to other style. Now we'll go to the previous style now. See,
Yeah.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is regarding your graph chart now. Okay. So I'm deleting this graph chart.
Okay.
I'll just close the document and open it. Just give me a minute.
Yes, sir.
I'll open the fan once. Yeah. Here it is raining, and as well as it is little hot. What we can say.
Humid.
Yeah. So let's see now. Next option. Let's go for a new document again.
Yeah.
Graph chart you have seen. Okay, one graph chart at a time we have to take. Later we can easily change this one by right clicking and go to the type and change it. Right click data for
Okay.
editing the data. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next option, spray option is there. Spray option will be
Yeah.
useful when to spray on anything on this canvas here now. Now
Yeah.
whenever you are spraying, you get one warning here. What is it? Please select a symbol from the symbol panel.
Yeah.
So what we have to do, we have to go to the symbol and we need to select one symbol from here. And you have a library over here. You can access all this from the library.
Okay.
Okay. Now click and paint on this one. Now see, we got nice flowers on this one. Now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bunch of flowers. Now again, if you click and drag,
Yeah.
again you will get this one now. If you want
Okay.
separate again, now I don't want to club in this one object. I want to have a separate object for this.
Yeah.
So what to do? Click outside first. When it is deselected, now click and paint again to have a new separate piece for this one. Now see, this is separate and this is separate now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So whenever you are doing, just remember that you need to deselect the existing one. Then you have to again spray on this one. And one more point to remember here. Now,
Yeah.
whenever you are selecting the spray again, if you are selecting any other symbol, this symbol
Yeah.
right now, what symbol we are having, that will not be effective. This one will be effective more on this one.
Oh, okay.
Now if I change this value now, that is shifting tool. So what happened now? See, only this main parts are moving, the other parts are not moving. That part, see.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that will be more effective whichever we are placing this one into this area now. Okay,
Okay.
like this you can see.
Yeah.
If I place the cursor on the flower, it is not moving. These shapes are very
Yes, sir.
fastly. It is moving now. See, clear?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
This is what shifter tool in this one. Now one second, cancel. Shifter tool. Okay, now let's open this one. Now let's see the names: cruncher tool, sizer tool, spinner tool, stainer tool, screener tool, and styler tool. Okay.
Styler.
Let's first one spray tool, second one shifting is what? It is shifting the object from one place to another place. See.
Yeah.
Now third option, that is scruncher tool. Scruncher tool in the sense it will make your object to closer to each other. Now see what happened?
Okay.
The objects are coming closer to each other now. See, over here now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Next option, sizer tool. We can have a size for this one now. We can click and hold. We can have a bigger size on this one. Whatever comes
Okay.
under this range, it will increase all sizes here. But
Right.
whichever
Yeah.
coming inside this middle portion, can you see the middle icon?
Yeah.
Middle icon will increase more the other than means other objects we can say. Now if I want to
Okay.
decrease it, press Alt button and click on the same object to decrease the object size. Now see, we got a small
Okay.
size. You can see all small size we got it now. Now if I'm not holding the
Yes.
Alt button, I'm getting a bigger size on this one. See, flowers are not getting affected.
Yeah.
Only these
Yeah.
circles are getting affected because it is in the background. That's the reason it is not applying that one.
Yeah.
Okay, like this we can use the sizer tool for this one. Alt button for decreasing the size.
Yeah.
Similarly, we have what is it? Spinner tool. Spinner in the sense
Spinner
we can
tool.
spin the object now. We can spin it like this. We can change
Okay.
the direction of the object now. See.
Yeah.
Now whichever comes under this category, everything will get rotated. See here now.
Yes, sir.
All will rotate now. So rotation tool, spinner tool can give you this option now.
Yeah.
Similarly, what is a stainer tool? Stainer tool
Stainer.
will give you little light color reduction on this one. See what
Okay.
happens? Slowly it is reducing the colors of this one now.
Yeah.
Now see, like this it will give you. Best option is what? Delete this all. Take the spray tool. Let's take the spray and draw the spray on this one now.
Okay.
Now again, shifter tool to shift this one. Scruncher tool to have it close to each other now. See.
Yeah.
Spinner sizer tool to increase the size. Alt button to decrease the size.
Yeah.
Spinner tool to spin this one. You can see all whichever
Yeah.
comes under this one, everything is getting spinned.
Yeah.
Stainer tool will remove this option like this. Now see what happened?
Yeah.
Some
Yeah.
objects are getting dull and some objects are little average we can say.
Yeah. Less. Yeah.
When we click in the middle one when we click on that object, that will become more effective on this one. Surrounding
Yes,
objects
sir.
will have a little effect but not that much we can say.
Yeah.
Okay, next option is what? Screener tool. Screener tool will decrease the
Screener.
opacity.
Okay.
Opacity will decrease. See here.
Okay. Yeah.
Now let me take the spray tool. Once again delete. Let's take the spray tool and spray this one again. Now let's see. Now take this option again. Stainer tool. What happened now in the stainer? See, something is little opacity less, something is more on this one. See,
Yeah. Yes, sir.
means approximately randomly it is applying.
Yeah.
Okay, what happened now when we click on this one? It is decreasing the opacity of that particular object. Now we can see
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
when we paint it on this one, it will apply like this option for this one. Okay, something is
Okay,
let's say too far away from the object we can see. Okay, so that will
Yes, sir.
apply like this now. This one. That is what this one screener tool. And
Screener
last
tool.
option what? Styler tool. For styler tool,
Yeah.
when we click, nothing will happen. See here, it is asking to open the graphic style panel and select
Yeah.
the style from the panel here. Click
Yeah.
OK and delete this one first. Let's have the spray tool again. Let's spray this one always.
Okay.
Now come back to the styler tool. Take the style and click on the object. Now see what happened. Can you see?
Yes,
It is
sir.
applying the style on this particular object.
Yeah.
So like this, it can be useful for you. Okay, all these are spray tool options. One by one, we can use this all properties.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm closing this.
Okay, sir.
Delete this object also. Delete. Now let's come back to the next option now. That is artboard tool. We have already seen one by one more time.
Yeah.
See this artboard. Nothing but artboard we have selected. Now we can modify the objects, this document size how we want it, or else we can
Yeah.
go with the preset size also. We can have a preset size. Landscape, if you want to change this to landscape, we can change it.
Okay.
Artboard name, if you want to change, you can change the artboard name also. If you want width and
Yes.
height, you can define width and height for the artboard now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is regarding artboard. Now zoom tool for zooming purpose, hand tool for
Yeah.
navigation purpose. We can
Yeah.
get this. Now coming back to the slice tool. Slice tool will give you slices of a single object. You can see. Select this
Okay.
one and apply the colors on this one. Let's apply swatch.
Okay.
It is stroke color. Let's apply the fill color for this one.
Okay.
Right now I'm having object now. I want to slice this one now. Take the slice
Yeah.
tool. Draw the slice on this one. First slice.
Okay.
Second slice. And one more third slice on this one. Let me
Okay.
modify this one now. For modification, what we have to do? Go to the slice select tool. Select this one and try
Yeah.
to modify this one. How many
Okay.
pieces we are making? 3 different
Three.
pieces. Simple
Yeah.
option for this one. Go to the file option. Export. Save for web as legacy.
Yeah.
Under this one here, can you see this over here? Over here,
Yeah.
all user slices. Otherwise, all slices are there. All selected slices are there.
Selected. Yeah.
Selected slice in the sense this one only. All
Yeah.
slices in the sense 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Yeah.
9, 10, 11, 12. So almost
Right.
12 pieces you will get in this one.
Yeah.
Now instead of this one, what I have selected, all user slices, and then
Yeah.
click on save this one to save it on desktop. I am naming
Okay.
this as sliced. Images only. Format is images. Where we are saving on
Images,
desktop. Let's
yeah.
save this.
Desktop.
Minimize. Right now we can see it has created a folder called images. Open this folder.
Yeah.
Now we can see all 3 pieces now.
Yes, sir.
Photoshop. Yeah, this one, Illustrator.
Yeah.
One second.
Yeah.
Like this, it has
Okay.
applied the option. Increase the size. Increase the width also. Zoom out and see. This is the 1, 2, and 3 pieces.
Yeah.
So like this, we can get the slice area. So this is what Illustrator slicing option and slice select. This ends your tool completely.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if you are having any doubts regarding these tools and everything, you can ask me. Okay, in the now or in coming up classes also. And from
Sure.
here onwards, we'll start the designing section also. With the panels,
Okay.
we'll start the designing. One day designing,
Okay.
one day panel. One day is designing, one day panel.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And one more
Yes,
thing,
sir.
by Sunday you
Yeah.
will get all the videos, recorded videos on YouTube. I'll send the link to you. Okay, by Sunday.
Okay.
Because
Okay, sir. Sure.
right
Thank
now
you.
slightly noise is there, and even Photoshop also I'll
Yeah.
give you all the classes link.
Yeah.
You can see it.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sure, sir.
Give me till Sunday time. Sunday. Why? Because small
No.
noise is there in my system. That noise I'm
No-
not
no
getting
problem.
noise, okay.
No problem, sir.
Okay.
Sure.
Then, chalo.
Oh,
Practice
thank-
this
thank
all.
you, sir.
Okay, we'll join on
Yeah.
tomorrow.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.